back to our continuing coverage ng ating Motivated 3x3 Season 4 All-Star Business Cup category. Still, dito pa rin tayo sa Amoranto Arena, dito yan sa Quezon City. Bechong, James Martinez, and El Chavez at courtside. At laban naman ngayon ng The House of Collab at ng Team Puso. Isa pang magandang laban na naman, James.
Last game ito para sa semis mamaya. So abangan nyo yan mamaya.
JV De La Cruz, first blood for this game.
Good hand of play, first play. Itong House of Collab para kay JV De La Cruz.
And Kurt Hall agad namang pinakita yung kanyang shooting prowess dito.
Shooter talaga to, Kurt Hall.
Belenson, inside, nothing there. Walang nangyari dun sa possession na yon. Tapon yung bola para sa The House of Collab.
Malakas lang yung pasa ni JP Belenson, yung behind the back pass niya. Hindi nasalo ni Henry Iloca. Ang ganda sana ng intention.
Bartlett has it. Bartlett steps back. Out to Kurt Hall against Iloca. Nagawa ng bola dito si De La Cruz at si Bartlett. De La Cruz against David Morel. Iloca tries from deep and Iloca will miss.
Nakita mo yung pisikalan sa ilalim. JP Belenson tsaka si Jordan Bartlett.
Morel against Belenson. And there's a foul on JP. Look at the sportsmanship, James.
Yes.
No? Agad naman
Akala mo magkakainitan na, di ba? Pero nag-apiran ka agad. Yun ang gusto natin, yung sportsmanship na makikita.
And of course, ayun naman ang ini-impose ng ating founder, ng Motivated 3x3. This is an advocacy league to inspire yung mga young men and women na mag-engage sa healthy lifestyle and sports. At kabilang dun sa sports, syempre, yung sportsmanship.
Yes.
All two is the score, 8:38 remaining here in this game. Bartlett driving baseline against JV De La Cruz.
So ito 7 fouls siya. Wala siyang fouled out dito, itong 3x3. 7 fouls, free throw. Pag 10 fouls, free throw and ball possession.
Kurt Hall, libreng-libre. Kurt Hall knocks it down.
Nice setup play para kay Jordan Bartlett to Kurt Hall. Open na open si Kurt Hall doon. Bira mag-20 siya pag ganyan.
Kurt Hall na naman. Sobra nga lang yun. Nabati mo na naman yata, James. Iloca. He has the mismatch and Henry Iloca will miss. Morel, the attack, the kick out. The fake by Kurt Hall. And Kurt Hall, another basket.
Smooth move para kay Kurt Hall.
Yun talaga ang
Ganda ng fake
disadvantage
niya, diba?
kapag ka medyo hindi ka katangkaran dito sa 3x3, no? Mismatch ka talaga.
Nakita mo, inaatake nila sa ilalim to si Jordan Bartlett, di ba? Pinopostehan dun eh.
Speaking of atake, ganda ng atake doon ni David Morel and Henry Iloca. Napwestuhan ng maganda si Kurt Hall.
Pero kasi, puro 2 points tong Team Puso, kaya ang laki ng lamang nila. 3 points.
Belenson against
Yun.
Kurt Hall. And JP Belenson cuts the lead to just 1. Bartlett the attack. Bartlett the finish plus the foul.
Jordan Bartlett, mahilig siya mag-isolation play. No? Makikita mo talaga kanina niya pag ginagawa yun. Pinapatabi niya one side, itong dalawang teammates niya. Tapos aatake niya on his side. Ang ganda ng galaw. Punta lang siya sa gitna. Isang spin move, layup. Napaka-basic.
The former LaSalle Green archer, Jordan Bartlett, showing us his skill set. Belenson against Morel.
Ito pa yung marami skills.
JP Belenson,
Diba? JP Belenson.
and Henry Iloca connection. Kurt Hall against Belenson. 7 seconds to shoot. Kurt spins. Kurt drives. Kurt lays it in.
Mailman layup para kay Kurt Hall. Yun lang.
Nako naman.
Sa ilalim din talaga. talagang mismatch din talaga yung Team Puso kasi may Henry Iloca ka sa ilalim tapos may Ken Bono ka pa na nasa bench na hindi pa pumapasok.
Here's Henry Iloca. Completes the 2-point play. Here is David Morel. He has the speed advantage. The fake. Up and under. Masyadong
malalim
malawak yung range ng depensa nito ni Henry Iloca.
Parang
Belenson.
Nakakita ng punong malilim eh. Hindi mo matitira talaga eh. Tinaas lang yung kamay.
Yung tinatawag na napayungan.
Oo.
Kung hindi kaya sa loob, susubukan sa labas.
Sa labas talaga.
Ni David Morel. Here comes Iloca. 5 minutes and 33 remaining here in the game. 12-11 is the score. Bartlett outside. Morel. Short. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Outside. Kurt Hall off to the left. JV De La Cruz.
Nice
Great
pass.
two-man game. Kurt Hall inside. Yung recovery ng depensa,
Yes.
James, dapat mabilis din
Oo.
dahil napakabilis nga talaga ng 3x3. Belenson. Naagawan ni Bartlett. Kicks it out. Kurt Hall. It is good from deep.
Kurt Hall. Talagang hindi mo talaga pwedeng iwan sa labas. Open na. Pag open na open siya.
David Morel, the attack, the finish. Kita mo yung pick up, yung cradle, tapos yung layup.
Kinraidel yung ball. Ginawang football. Di ba?
Oo. Here comes De La Cruz. Bartlett watching him. De La Cruz inside Iloca. Basket! Plus the foul.
Henry Iloca flexing his muscles inside.
Pagkatapos itong laro nito, James, Content Creators Cup na tayo. Yun ang mga nakikita natin sa social media. Yun ang ating mga manlalaro sa susunod na mga laro. Henry Iloca. Height is might dito sa laro na to. 16-14 with 4 minutes and 28 seconds remaining here in the game. Henry Iloca on the line after that made basket plus the foul. Iba talaga ang matangkad.
Natangkad talaga.
Bartlett. He has the speed advantage against Iloca. Bartlett, the attack, the fake. 2 seconds to shoot. Morel has to put it up. Puts it in!
Big shot para kay Dave Morel.
Team Puso ahead by 3.
Oo, 3 points na yung lamang.
Belenson steps back. Belenson knocks it down.
Ang ganda ng mga galaw ni JP Belenson talaga, no? Yung mga
Ganda
step
pa, ang
back.
ganda tignan eh, no? Kurt Hall using his left and Kurt Hall gets fouled.
Pero yun naman yung advantage ng maliit na import. May atake rin talaga sa loob.
Hindi lang atake, yung tira sa labas.
Tira sa labas, may inside game pa, may poste, may drive pa. Kompleto eh. Kompleto yung package nito ni Kurt Hall.
Si Kurt Hall, kung maglaro, parang Andre Blatch yung datingan ng
mini
laro
version,
niya.
no?
No? Mini version ng Andre Blatch. Yung tumitira sa labas, kung gusto niyang pumasok sa loob, makakapasok siya. Sabay nga lang doon, yung 2-pointer ni Kurt Hall.
Kaninong bola? Black ball pa rin.
Tabla tayo, 18 apiece. Kurt Hall against Ken Bono. He spins. Ganda naman Naisahan ang veterano.
What a move. Spin cycle by Kurt Hall. Galing, no?
Belenson. 1 second to shoot. Ken Bono.
Shot clock violation.
Sayang.
Yun, oo.
Masyadong tumagal yung bola. kay JP Belenson.
Timeout muna tayo sa Team Puso. So magsiset sila ng isang play. Kung tatapusin na ba or pa isa-isa muna.
Kaya nilang bumawi coming from a huge deficit. The between Team Puso and House of Mola. Mukhang yung Team Puso meron na silang pagsap. I think they call a timeout. They need a breather. Pero meron isa nung naka-black jersey, baka papalaroin na rin na. Pero hindi pa rin. Sa sapatos pa yata eh. Here we go. Once again, this is
3
motivated
minutes and 32 seconds remaining here in this game. Team Puso up by 1, 19-18 is the score. So may pag-asang manalo dito ang Team Puso kung makakashoot sila ng 2 points. Big possession.
Tingnan
For the
natin
guys
kung
in black.
go for the win na sila. Itong possession.
Kurt Hall natapikan. Kanila pa rin ang bola. But 7 seconds left on the shot clock para sa Team Puso.
Kailangan na magmadali ng Team Puso sa possession na to.
Kurt Hall. Now to Bartlett. Speed advantage by Jordan Bartlett. One more to win. Pag na-shoot niya to, panalo na
Tapos
sila.
Ang ganda ng pagka-turn ng corner ni Jordan Bartlett. Simpleng handoff lang ni Kurt Hall. Nakita niya open na open, turn corner lang. All the way. Wala nang hesitation para kay Jordan Bartlett.
For the win. Ayun na! Jordan Bartlett winning the game.
Tapos,
Dalawang magkasunod na palo para sa The House of Collab. Grabe, ganda na pinakita. Sobrang ganda ng laban natin ngayon. Ito yung pinakadikit na laban
Yes.
so far, James.
pero ang dami pang time, oh. Nakita mo,
Oo
3
nga
minutes pa. Ang bilis talaga ng pacing ng game natin. Tinapos ni Jordan Bartlett. Diba? So ito, kita natin yung highlights. Kurt Hall. Showing his 2-point range.
Check. Iba talaga.
Oo.
Kalibre na itong si Kurt Hall. Uratex Foam game highlights. What an incredible game we just saw. Team Puso winning by just 3 points. Ito na. Sinasabi nga natin, yung pinakadikit na laban ngayong araw na to. Pero
Ladies and gentlemen, this is motivated 3
ilang laban na tayo, James, ang gaganda pa rin. No, hindi nagbabago yung quality ng laro ng mga players natin kahit pangatlong laro na nila to.
Grabe, hindi napapagod. Sobrang kondisyon itong team na sumali dito sa Business Cup. Kaya lang mamaya makikita natin yung Uncle Drew. Kalaban nila itong Mr. Long Bomb Apparel.
Bigay na natin sa ating courtside reporter, El Chavez.
Hello, good morning. Alam mo, we have days like we feel like it's not our best, right? I'm just wondering, how can you motivate yourself to practice consistently even when you are not feeling your best?
I mean, you gotta be wanted. You gotta want it. You gotta be a dog. So I mean, you should need motivation to do what you love.
Do you practice every single day for this?
No, I mean, I just practice every day just on my craft, just playing basketball. Either it's 3-on-3, 5-on-5. Basketball is basketball. So if you're working on your skills, it'll translate to whatever you're playing.
Yeah, I agree. Thank you so much, Kurt. Back to you, Johnson James.
And that is our Gatorade Best Player of the Game, Kurt Hall. Thank you so much, El Chavez.